Hey guys, welcome to a video. So guys, outside it's really cold, not possible to do workout, especially on weekends when you are at home, you don't even want to go out, right? But still I managed to keep myself fit. I have a very thin walking pad that I use for running also, and you can see the amount of space I am using, just crammed inside my garage, just in front of my car. But yes, I can close down the garage, although it's not a heated garage, but still after closing the door down, it's much better than doing anything outside, not even any comparison. So if you really will to work out even during adverse weather conditions, you can make tiny spaces like this. Okay, you see at one side my tires are there, still I managed to do workout here. And this is really gonna help you. I just finished my workout and I wanted to show you that how I can make, like, if you see it's like 1 meter or something and just a few feet on the other side. Height is around 7 feet. So I can do it right away with this method. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel.